U.S. stocks closed sharply lower on Thursday, with all three major indexes declining for the third consecutive day as tech selling continued. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 592.58 points, or 1.2%, to 48,908.72. The S&P 500 dropped 84.32 points, or 1.23%, to 6,598.40. The Nasdaq Composite declined 1.59% to 22,540.59. The S&P 500 posted its sixth loss in 7 days. Bitcoin fell below $70,000, its lowest level since the November 2024 presidential election. Silver plummeted over 19% and gold dropped over 3%. Tech stocks faced broad pressure. Microsoft fell over 4%, Amazon dropped over 4%, AMD declined over 3%, Tesla fell over 2%, and Nvidia lost over 1%. Supermicrocomputer plunged over 8%. Qualcomm sank over 8% as current quarter forecasts missed estimates, sending shares to 9-month lows. Chip stocks weakened collectively, with the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index extending losses. Software stocks continued to collapse, with ServiceNow down 7.60% and Salesforce off 4.76%. AI company Anthropic's new Claude Opus 4.6 model, capable of automating financial research, legal work, and coding tasks, intensified concerns about software industry disruption. Chinese ADRs bucked the trend, with the Nasdaq Golden Dragon Index rising 0.9%. NIO gained over 5%, Atour Group surged over 5%, Yum China rose over 4%, Ztio Express, Miniso, WeRide, and Vipeshop each added over 3%. Li Auto increased over 2%, and Bilibili advanced over 1%. Baidu, Kingsoft Cloud, Xpeng Motors, Tencent Music, KE Holdings, and Sohu edged higher. Alibaba, Pony AI, NetEase, and New Oriental dipped slightly. Jihu and Hesai fell over 1%, and Weibo dropped over 2%. U.S. job openings fell to 6.54 million in December 2025, the lowest since 2020, with layoffs rising, indicating weakening labor demand. Challenger job cuts surged in January, heightening recession fears. Trump stated there is little suspense about rate cuts, expressing confidence that Fed Chair nominee Warsh understands the president's desire for lower rates. Risk-off sentiment gripped markets, with capital fleeing risk assets. In after-hours trading Thursday, Amazon reported earnings, with market attention on cloud business and AI investments. Snap jumped 6%, ARM Holdings sank 7.5%, Estée Lauder fell 2%, and Shell declined 1.5%. Bitcoin miner Mara Holdings plunged nearly 20%. For Friday, key focus areas include the delayed non-farm payrolls report, now scheduled for February 11th. U.S.-Iran nuclear talks originally planned for Friday in Oman have reportedly been canceled, with the U.S. refusing to change the venue, escalating geopolitical risks. The AI replacement panic continues to hit software stocks. Technically, the Nasdaq has fallen to around 22,500, and a break below 22,000 could trigger deeper corrections. Bitcoin's break below $70,000 puts crypto-related stocks under pressure. Defensive positioning is advised, with focus on safe haven assets and caution on chasing tech stocks.